student, I am Shailesh Kumar and we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different Zara Hatke. So, in this video our chapter of concern is fractions and we will discuss the topic under this chapter, the application of fractions. How we will use the fractions to find a given value as per the question. So the basic level question are being given here so that you may know how the fraction works for a given number when it is multiplied to it or subtract. So student, in this video, if we have to find 3 by 11 of rupees 44, so 3 of rupees 44 divided by 11. Okay student. Now 3 of 44 divided by 11, that is 4 rupees 4. Now 3 of 4, that is 12 rupees. So student, in this way we have find the answer. Now let us understand the concept. Now if there are rupees 44 and we have to make its 11 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now if you add all these, then their sum will be 44. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Listen, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, and 40 and 44. Okay student, you see that if you divide rupees 44, then each part is equal to 4. And among these equal parts, 11 equal parts, you will have to take how many? You will have to take only 3. So 4, 4, 4. What is the total of these? That is 12. Right? So the answer is rupees 12. Okay? Now the concept is there and 1 of here divided by 20 milliliter. Now 1000 divided by 20. Now 5. Now this 0 will be written here. So the answer is 50. 50 milliliter. 1 of 50 milliliter, that is 50 milliliter. This is the answer student. Now we are on the next sheet. Here 3 by 8 of 40 kilometer. Now it means 3 of 40 divided by 8 bracket kilometer. Now 40 divided by 8, 40 divided by 8, that is 5. 5 kilometer. 3 of 5 kilometer, that is 15 kilometer. Okay student. Now 4 of 65 divided by 13 centimeter. Now here 65 divided by 13. 13 5s are 65. Okay. So 4 of 5 centimeter. So 20 centimeter. Okay. Now 5 of 54 divided by 6 workers. Now 5 of 54 divided by 6, that is 9 workers. That is 5 multiply 9, 45 workers. So students, if you are getting the idea and 100% concept clarity of this question, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different Zara Hatke. Now 11 of 4000 divided by 80 milliliter. Now 11 of 4,000 divided by 80. Now 85 is a 400 and 0 will be written here. Okay, so I will write 50 milliliter. You can see 11 multiply 50, that is 550 milliliter. So student, in this way you can see that we have solved almost the question. In the 3 sheets. One, two, and 3. Now here, this question is just of a comparison. Vandana Sood and Monica Preet Kaur took the same quiz test. Vandana answered 7 by 8 of the questions correctly and Monica Preet Kaur answered 4 by 5 of the questions correctly. Who got a high score? So, Vandana is representing the fraction 7 by 8. Vandana's fractional part of answering is 7 by 8 and Monica's part of fraction of answering the question is 4 by 5. Now, which fraction will be greater that perform high score? Okay, so we will have to compare these fractions 7 by 8 and 4 by 5. How we will compare these? With the cross multiplication. So 7 by 5 and 8 by 4. This is 32 and this is 35. Which one is greater? 35 is greater. And 35 is representing the fraction 7 by 8 and 7 by 8 is representing Vandana. So I will write the answer. Vandana got a high score. Okay, students? Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar and we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So in this video, we will have to solve this question giving in the sheet. Now, we have to solve first question that we have to find the 1 by 6 of 30 hours. So, what will be the 1/6 part of 30 hours? So, these type of question can be solved easily. Here, this is the fraction 1 by 6 and the numerator is 1, denominator is 6. So, you will have to multiply this one, just write 1 of 30 divided by 6 hours. Okay, students? Now, 30 divided by 6, that is 5. So, 1 of 5 hours. So, it means multiplication, that is 5 hours. So, in this way, you can find this answer. These are very simple questions, student. The meaning of this one is that what is the 1/6 of 30 hours? 1/6 of 30 hours is only 5 hours. Okay. Now, we are on the second part. Here, we will write 1 of 49 divided by 7 minutes. Okay. Now, 1 of 49 divided by 7, that is 7 minutes. Okay, 1 of 7, it means multiplication, that is 7 minutes. This is the answer. Now, 1 by 7 of 14. 1 by 7 of 14, it means 1 of 14 divided by 7. Okay, so 1 of 14 divided by 7, that is 2. So 1 of 2 is 2. Very simple. Now 1 of 400 divided by 8. So 400 divided by 8. And this 0 will be written here. 1 of 50, that is 50. So student, in this way you can find the answers. Now we are on the next sheet. One by 8 of 168 meter. So 1 of 168 divided by 8 meter. Now 168 divided by 8. Now what is the answer? 21. 21 meter. 1 of 21 meter. So 1 of 21 meter, that is 1 multiplied 21, that is 21. It is 21 meter. Okay student. Now here 2 by 5, it means 2 of 30 divided by 5. No problem. 30 divided by 5, that is 6 of 2. Double of 6, that is 12. This is the answer. Now, in these sums, what we are going to find? We are going to find the fractional part of a given quantity. Okay, here in this question 168 meter was the total quantity, and we are going to find that what is the 1 by 8 part of that 168 meter. Okay, here we have found that what is the 2 by 5th part of 30. Now understand the logic. If 30 is total, then you have to divide this into 5 parts. Okay, first part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. Okay, now 30 is divided into how many parts? 5 parts, and you have to take only 2. So if you take this and this, now 2 have been taken. So how many have you taken? 6 and 6, that is 12. So the answer is 12, student. Okay, just solving the question, the numerical, is not our motive, student, but to make the concept clarity is my aim.